Based on your professional experience, what guidance would you like to offer to current and future students of School of Digital Media and Marketing to help them to prepare for future successful careers in rapidly evolving industry?
Before giving any recommendation to students over here from BBA Digital Media and Marketing, I would first thank all my teachers and the placements, especially over here in the Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, who actually helped me to step in the corporate environment and actually helped me to seek a job in the multinational company in on pattern. So I think pattern, the biggest recommendation for the students over here would be, I think nowadays AI is actually taking a center stage. So I think it's a really high time to get through it. So I think if you're able to explain problem to AI can do anything for you. And I know, when you get up from your bed, so it's very easy when you look up at your mails, when you check your inbox, you will be very happy if you see them sorted. So that's the power of AI.
Could you please describe your professional journey after graduating from the School of Digital Media and Marketing and explain how the academic curriculum, practical exposure, and mentorship at Symbiosis Skills and Professional University contributed to your growth?
After graduating from this university, Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, it has given me a kickstart to my professional career. So, like the exposure you get here, you won't get anywhere, and the things revolves around 70% practical knowledge and 30% skill, in which you'll just get the industry exposure and you'll learn practical things here and get to know industry jargons, and you'll be good.